As far as I know, about more than 30,000 people have received Diksha. If people come here, that's more than enough. They will see a lot of changes in their lives.
Don't look for any solutions outside. All the solutions are inside you. Just understand what are those solutions. That mantra, that solution. When you're doing it from inside for you, then all the things outside will become fine. Guruji will train you to practice and meditate the mantra.
The man was sick. He was not in a position where he could even walk. He came to meet the Guruji, and the Guruji gave him the Amritadhara Mantra Diksha to cure him from his sickness. In a few days, he became completely alright. I am an eyewitness for this. You also come and visit the Guruji once. I am 200% sure your problems will be solved.
Shri Ramanand Guruji. Everywhere in this whole universe, whatever words we speak keeps rotating. It's those words which decide our lives. And that is the reason a lot of spiritual gurus and science researchers today also suggest that we should always speak good and positive. To put it more aptly, our parents also teach us to speak good and positive only. The words one speaks will decide the future of one's life. The power of these words are unknown to ordinary people. To be more precise, this is a universal secret.
I have two major things in life. The life before Amritadhara Diksha and the life after Amritadhara Diksha. I had a lot of loans before coming here. I was planning to commit suicide along with my family before coming here. I had a lot of problems when I came here. But after coming here, I met Swamiji. He preached me the Amritadhara Mahamantram. It's a huge weapon. I didn't know what to do in my life when I came here. Amritadhara Mahamantram changed my life. You also say Amritadhara Mantra. There will be a lot of changes in your life.
Normally, by default, if the words which we speak have so much power, then just imagine if that word becomes a mantra, then how powerful our life will become. If you want to achieve whatever you want to, then knowing that magical word is very essential. If you have faith, then come to Viluppuram, Kadakanur. This is the ashram of Shri Ramananda Guruji. This is the place where hundreds of people come here daily to change their life by receiving the Mantra Diksha. This ashram is in the midst of a vast landscape encompassing the natural environment. The Guruji's ashram can be compared to temples which give people peace of mind. There are about 180 lingas in the ashram. This place has become a place of worship and ever-chanting mantras. This is Shri Ramananda Guruji. Starting from a common man to VIPs, a lot of people come here daily to meet this personality. He has the mantra to transform a common man into a VIP. That mantra is called Amritadhara Mahamantra. All the problems one has encountered in his life will come to an end the moment he applies this Amritadhara Mahamantra in his life. This is the mantra which brings an end to all the problems in one's life and takes him to an elevated status in life. And we get this mantra through Sri Ramananda Guruji very easily. But for acquiring this mantra, which harnesses the power of the universe, Sri Ramananda Guruji devoted 25 years of his life.
Many people have benefited from this mantra. This mantra works like this. To fight life's problems, man needs a kind of knife. Guruji has created a mantra to use it as a knife and is giving it to people.
In a man's body, where does his life lie? That is $1 million question. But our Siddhas have given the right answer to these questions. Life is just a sound, and the body is just the form of that sound. This has been stated by the Siddhas in their scriptures, and that is the sound of Om. The sound of Om is in our spine, and that is why the Kundalini Shakti is said to arise from the spine. In some people, the sound will be less. In some, it will be more. And in some others, it will be equal. We need to balance that sound. And in doing so, life will improve and success will be achieved.
Hello. A businessman came from Tirupur. He was very broken and insolvent. There was no way to have one meal per day. But he came here very well dressed. He was looking very good in appearance. He met the Guruji and said that he was doing the business and lost 10 crores. And he didn't know what to do. He asked, what should I do next? Guruji said, it's nothing. First, you have to rectify yourself. For that, I will teach you a mantra known as Amritadhara Mantra. With that, you will come to know that it will lead to result in 45 days. He learned the mantra without any belief and came back on the 27th day. The first time he came in a bus, but the second time he came in a car. I could not understand. I thought the car would have been rented or his friend's car. Then he came inside and bowed down before the Guruji and said, do you know what happened, Guruji? You taught me the mantra. I learnt it. And whether you believe it or not, I got rupees 5 crores from outside within these 20 days. I didn't expect this at all. I didn't do anything. I just chanted this mantra 108 times as told by you. And did some extra chantings whenever I got some time. It is miraculous. It was really a miraculous event. You have given us such a powerful mantra, Guruji. I'm experiencing the benefits of born again in this life. Money may come and go, but not only did I purify myself, but I also got the clarity as to what to do in my life. I got the right direction. Whom should I talk to? What should I do regarding business? My business should not have any problem. All these things totally changed me. Now I'm very clear, Guruji. Truly speaking, with the money I received, I paid off my car loan which was mortgaged. Then he asked Guruji, what should I do for you? Guruji replied, I don't need anything. You stay blessed and help 5 or 10 people according to their needs and as per their difficulties. This is a small experience regarding business. A youngster who was very well educated and talented was in a good job. He was trying to go abroad for almost 6 years, but was not able to go. He had good knowledge. In his field, he was in the instrumentation field, which is an industrial study. He was very talented in that, but he didn't get any job abroad. His juniors went to abroad very easily. They had good job there. He felt very bad and did not marry also. He told his parents that he will get married only if he gets a job abroad. His parents told that there is no connection between that, but he didn't accept. He stood still in his decision, but the Guruji gave the same mantra, that Amritadhara mantra to him. He asked him to chant his mantra for 90 days. And for other it was 45 and here it was 90. After he went, I asked Guruji, that person had so many problems, but you asked him to do only for 45 days. He said, this guy is young, so there will be a lot of excitement. One should not chant this in a hurry. Those who have suffered in life will have fear. They will have devotion in mantra. This guy will not have that. It's like, I just want to have the job done. That's why I decided this is the best for him and told him to do for 90 days. Believe it or not, exactly on the 51st day, he called up and said, I got an opportunity to go abroad and everything is fine. And he said, I'm leaving Guruji.
Cinema stars and the VIPs are coming here to see the Guruji after they have heard about him.
You also participate in the Amritatara Yantra Puja, you will see miracles.
After coming here, you will see an enhanced vibration. Please come and see the results for yourself. We also have seen the results ourselves.
Along with them, they also bring in a lot of people. And the reason for that is the trust they have in Guruji.
From 2002 onwards, I'm here with Guruji. And I'm taking care of his needs and doing whatever service he needs. A lot of people are coming here. And now it's more than what it used to be when I came here. To solve people's problems, Guruji is giving them a mantra to chant and practice. A lot of people are coming here to know about the mantra, including people from abroad. Last week, some people from Andhra who had heard about Guruji, they did not know the language but came here. We did not know how they came to know of Guruji. When they heard about our Guruji, they wanted to know about this mantra and wanted to have a solution for their problems. Sri Lankan Tamil people are there in every country. They are in London, they are in France. Once in a year, they come to India to seek the blessings of Guruji. A lot of people are seeking the mantra from Guruji. But what our Guruji says is, don't look for any solutions outside. The solution is always there inside you. Just get to know of that solution. When you know that that solution is the mantra, then all the problems outside will automatically get solved. Guruji asks you to meditate on the mantra which he tells you. When a lot of people call us and share their happiness, then we also feel very happy about it. You too, please come to seek the mantra. Learn the mantra from Guruji and get blessed.
Problems in horoscope, problem in not having a child, freedom from curse. For all these problems, we here give the Maha Mantra Diksha. You will be freed from all the curses. By this, what I mean is, all types of Shanti, including the Sarpa Shanti, obstacle in marriage, ancestral curse, to remove all the obstacles and curse. Yagnas have been done by the staffs here.
Most of the times, people who have faced failures in life finally go in search of God. They not only do this, but a lot of people also go in search of powerful gurus. Even those people who wear a thread around their body also go to Sri Ramananda Guruji. Guruji tells them the Amritadhara mantra, which transforms their life. The people who seek the mantra transform themselves into people who have received the Diksha. If a person seeks the Amritadhara mantra Diksha, it means that his life would be completely changed. And that means he will be a newborn person. Any person who chants that mantra again and again, he will get a lot of benefits on an everlasting note.
I have been married for about 11 years. In 2008, I got married. I don't have a child. I underwent a lot of treatment for this, went to a lot of temples. After a particular point, I got frustrated and fed up of life. And then through a friend, I came to know of Guruji and finally came to meet him. After seeking the blessings, on the second day, we went to a hospital known to us for our regular treatment. And at that time, they did a checkup and they came to know that my wife has conceived. After having undergone struggle and pain of not having a child for 11 years, we were extremely happy to know that my wife has conceived after 11 years.
If you thought that the Amritadhara mantra gave results only to the followers of Hinduism, then you're wrong. And that is because people associated with different religions and different countries have benefited a lot from this Amritadhara mantra.
Although I'm a Christian, I believe in something above caste and religion, that is spirituality. Means when I was undergoing from suffering, pain and debt issues, when my parents, siblings were not supporting me, it was like a situation when I was feeling handicapped.
And when I was struggling, I got Guruji's Facebook link. I came here and met Guruji. When I came here, I was told about a lot of things. And after meeting Guruji, he gave me the mantra Diksha and asked me to follow it. And he told me that there will be a change in your life. After taking the Diksha from Guruji and following it, I have a better clarity in life, and today I'm in a very good position. I was criticized in my hometown, and I have overcome those.
It's around 6 months' time since I have received the Amritadhara Diksha. You can't individually say that this has resulted in so and so benefits. That's its greatness. Realizing the true greatness of this mantra. Today, I have brought my family members here. My mom, my dad, my child, and my sister. We will surely benefit from this. I pray to the Lord that you also receive the Diksha of the Amritadhara mantra and its benefits.
Not just one or two, thousands of people have been given a new life through this Amritadhara mantra by the Guruji. A spiritual leader surely should not make money as his only objective. Guruji is an example of this. Many people have benefited from him.
It's a simple mantra. Keep chanting this. Keep chanting this 3 times a day. You will get to see small changes in your life. However, they said that it was better to see Guruji and take his opinion. After that, I started chanting the mantra regularly. Within 2-3 days, I happened to meet one of my old friends. On a Sunday, we both met and met another friend who had helped me financially. And then we decided to start a catering center. And we gave the advance on that day itself. Sunday. On the 4th day itself, we gave the advance.
Good things happened.
Yeah, it was a very good thing. Not even a month had passed by.
In just a few days?
Yes, exactly. Within 10 or 15 days.
About a week?
Yeah, within a week or two, this event happened. After this event happened, I had tremendous confidence. The best thing that happened to me in this was bad habits like drinking. Without even knowing, I left that habit. Earlier, my dad, mom, and wife had requested me so much to leave that habit. Even my friends urged me to leave the habit. They even gave me so many ideas as to how to leave the habit. And always at that time, I would say yes to them. But the intention to drink will always be there in my inner mind. I got stuck with you, the shop will be closed. These kind of thoughts will be running in my mind. But after meeting Guruji, there was a step-by-step progress. Now I have come to a decision that not only in this birth, but in my next birth too. Even if I'm born as a king, I will not be drinking alcohol. I took this decision on my own.
On your own?
Yes.
So good thing happens after you met Guruji.
Yeah, I'm very happy to meet Guruji. The reason I have come today is I have printed my visiting card. So I wanted to give the first visiting card to Guruji. I have told him about my business and have taken blessings from him.
So you're very happy after meeting Guruji?
Very, very happy. I'm not only happy but satisfied also. This is an inevitable fact of life. I'm at a loss of words to express this.
Education, medicine, jobs. Whoever comes seeking all these, Guruji helps them all. Ramananda Guruji is an example of how a Guruji should be.